I'm Helen of Hope-Filled Journals and Helen Jeanne Designs, and today I wanted to share with you a flip through of a faith journal that I've been working on. And I do have a printable kit for this that I've used for most of my pages, not all of them, and that kit is available in my Etsy shop and on my website for a digital download. I do not have the pages printed up here for me to flip through, but I will point out some of the pages as I go through my flip through. This journal is not complete. I have 3 signatures, and I plan on completing it as I use it. So a little bit about the cover. This cover, I used a vintage handkerchief. And what I did is I scanned it into my computer, and then I made some adjustments and printed it up. And I have the pamphlet stitch binding. And this floral binding on the edge was from a book, and I used just part of the cover because I thought that the flowers and the colors went well together. And as you open the book, this is actually a cover from another book. And I liked the inside covers because it has like an old psalm. And in the book it said, this is actually a fiction book, and I actually don't remember what it is called. I'll have to look that up. But it said the end papers represent pages from the Bay Psalm book, the first book ever printed in North America, a rare copy of the Puritan hymnal published in 1640 in Cambridge, Massachusetts, and now resides in the Library of Congress. So I really like these end pages. I thought they would work perfect for a faith journal. So I used the cover, and I put my own signatures in the book. So this is part of the back cover. It's just got a little place where I'm going to use to put like a little journaling card. This is part of the kit. This says, I loved you at your darkest, and it's Romans 5:8. It's the printables are all in the pink colors, kind of a pink and green. This is just an envelope that I put a little card in. And I plan on filling this in. There's plenty of room for writing, so I'm going to use it as I go. This is just a little journaling card. It flips over. And this is kind of a watercolor looking page that's part of the printable, and I added some fussy cut flowers to it, which are not part of the printable. And these words are part of the printables. This says prayers, and I have a pocket here that comes with it. And what I did is I have the days of the week, and I plan on writing specific things I want to pray for each week on each day. So I've got one for each day of the week, and they've got patterns on the back. This is a page that I've already done. I had Sunday fellowship or some of the words in there, so I put this picture of a church, added some flowers to it, and drew some flowers, and I wrote in some stuff. And this is a hymn, The Church's One Foundation. So I added a flower there. Now this is some lined paper that's actually not a part of the kit. I believe I have it in another kit. And I have the plain dot grid paper in the pinks. That is a part of the kit. And this is some more fussy cut flowers. I plan on using this journal every day, so I wanted to have a lot of writing space. And this is part of the kit. It says reflection and gratitude. just some places to write as I reflected on some of my readings and things that I'm grateful for. There's plenty of room to write prayers or what I'm learning, Bible verses, hymns, all kinds of things. And this is a double pocket. And I've got these journaling cards that are part of the kit. This one says, "Cast all your cares on him." And what I did is I printed it with lined paper on the back. That's not a part of the kit, but this is. And this one has just an old poem on it with room to write on the back. And then this pocket has "Amazing Grace. How sweet the sound." So there's room for the journaling cards, or you can actually put whatever you want in them. And this is just a page I did. It says Rock of Ages, and I've got part of the hymn of Rock of Ages, and I put a verse and drew some flowers and did a little bit of collage. This page is a part of the kit. I used a lot of the watercolor flowers as part of the design. And again, this one says Prayer and Blessings, and some of the watercolor background. Reflection and Gratitude again. And this is one of the pattern papers that comes with the kit. You can use before backing paper or as a main paper. I'm not sure if I'll write on this or if I'll add more. I probably will add more pockets. This is a prayer page: adoration, confession, thanksgiving, and supplication. Things that I want to write in for prayers. And these are just some fussy cuts that I added to decorate this page. This is tea-dyed paper. And this doesn't come in the kit. This is from a book that I had. I like the rainbow, and I'll probably put God Keeps His Promises on it. And this is another journaling card. Room to write on the back. And this is kind of the pink and green watercolor looking pages I used as the background. Again, that's part of the kit. This one also with the watercolor roses and flowers. More blank pages for me to add to. And this I used as my center page. It's got the flowers on both sides, and it says Christ the Lord is risen. And I've got more blank pages. And this is another pocket that comes with the kit with a couple of the journaling cards, tags. And these come in the add-on kit. I think it's all one kit. This is the pocket with some more journal tags. Come in the kit. This pocket does not come in the kit because I made this with scrapbook paper. This verse does come in the kit. And some more of the journaling tags. And this is that prayer and adoration page. And we're going to start getting duplicates because these are the other side of the pages from the first half of the book. And this is a little quote that I thought was beautiful from A.W. Tozier. Love is not the result of redemption, it is the cause of it. And I've got a little pocket that I made. And anyway, you get the idea. A lot of open space. This is another one with the page from the book. Another journaling card. And that's the first signature. Now I haven't done anything with the other signatures. Again, they're just pages from my journal kit. And also I filled in with the coffee and tea dyed pages. It's got a little dot there. And this is actually dot grid paper that is from a printable that looks like it's tea dyed paper. So the rest of it's pretty blank. I'm going to fill it in as I go, but I thought I'd share that with you. If you're interested in the printables, I will link them below. And I hope you enjoyed seeing a little flip through of my faith journal. I hope to see you next time. I'll talk to you later.